In this video, we will discuss difference between arbitrators and speculators. First, before knowing who are arbitrators, first let us see the definition of arbitrage. As per Investopedia, arbitrage means arbitrage is the simultaneous purchase and sale of same asset in different markets in order to profit from tiny differences in the asset's listed price. It exploits short-lived variations in the price of identical or financial instruments in different markets or in different forms. Arbitrage exists as a result of market inefficiencies, and it both exploits those inefficiencies and resolves them. Okay, in simple, arbitrage means you purchase one asset for low price and you will sell that same asset for high price in another market. It is nothing but arbitrage. In arbitrage, you take zero risk. You buy with one hand and you sell with another hand simultaneously. You buy a asset for 50 in one market and you sell the same asset for 52 rupees in another market. This simultaneous buying and selling of same assets in two different markets is arbitrage. Let us take. If you take, let's take National Stock Exchange is a market and BSE is another market. And I am taking MRF share. So you can see almost 600 rupees difference. As per BSE, the share price is 82,831 rupees. But as per NSE, the same share is 83,370 rupees. So there is approximately 600 rupees difference. Now, arbitrator will purchase in low market, purchase from low market, that is BSE, and he will sell it in NSE. So this difference 600 is nothing but his profit. However, it is not easy to do. Once upon a time, arbitration is possible. But now, in intraday, arbitration is not possible. Which means, if you purchase a share from NSE, you have to sell that share in NSE only. If you purchase a share from BSE, you have to sell that share in BSE only. So in intraday, it is not possible to buy from low market and sell in high market. Practically, arbitration is not possible in India now, in intraday. Coming to speculation, speculators are people, they take high risk with low capital. Speculators are gamblers. Speculation means nothing but betting. If they feel market will go up, they will start buying. If they feel market will go down, they will start selling. So depending upon the movement of the market, they may either buy or sell. So they take high risk with low capital. So speculators are nothing but gamblers. It is purely like a